This video, I'm going to actually kind of walk you through the settings here for the SignalSpotter Indicator. We actually added more upgrades or improvement to the actual indicator here. So let's just talk about the settings here. First and foremost, you can see that we've added the exact price point so you can visually see the price points of the take profit, the entry, and the stop loss. We also added in an additional risk management feature. Based on the account, you can select how much percentage you want to actually trade per trade, and it'll give you the recommended contract size. Let's dig into the actual settings here to see what's what. As you can see, we have market structure look back. If you do 20 candles, you can change it. As default, you see the default setting. Take profit multiplier, as you can see here as well. Stop loss, you can actually always just change the recommended things here. Let's just say I want to take profit of 2 and I want a stop loss of 1. It will just kind of adjust the actual areas for you. You can actually change your account balance size. So you say you have 100K account, you can put it there as well. It give you, as you can see, the contract size. It actually changed there. Let's say you want to risk 5% on this trade. Okay, you see the contract size. It'll change as well. Then we have the tick value depending on the market you trading, especially in futures. Tick value, we have the tick points, and then you can color coordinate it to whatever you want to actually set it to. Let's just kind of show you example here. If I wanted to say, hey, we're going to use yellow there, we're going to use green here, we're going to use, I guess, blue here. You can see that you can actually change it. Blue was there. Also, the entry indicator, which is the main predominant one. If you wanted to change it, you can change it as well. And then text label are pretty much just the numbers across the board. Change it so you can see it. You see purple there, so on and so forth. Then your background, the shaded area, like when we have a sell off or a bearish, it'll be red. If you want to change that, you can do that as well. You just play around with the colors until it meets your criteria. And then going into style, basically the box, if you didn't want the shaded box, you can take it off. You don't need the levels, you can take the levels off. Just wanted to kind of take everything off, you can take it off as well. So that is the settings on this particular indicator. We have simplified this and really would like the feedbacks of the actual user here on this particular indicator. All right, so that's a breakdown of the settings. Wanted to do this video just kind of show you how to visually get in and change the settings. We will drop the actual document that breaks down, how the settings were kind of coded, and that way you can actually pinpoint how you want to actually use it. All right, take care. I'll see you guys on the next one.